CDDN introduces VerifyMe, the eKYC module that simplifies and speeds up the player onboarding process. CDDN VerifyMe is simple for online casinos to implement and ensures that they comply with the Dutch Remote Gambling Act in a secure manner. We'll show you how it works. A visitor to the website wishes to play and decides to set up an account for the online casino. This starts with entering and verifying their email address. Is that okay? Then the player is transferred to the VerifyMe environment. The player won't see much of this, since this shows the online casino branding. So, the player now enters their postcode and door number. In the background, we at CDDN VerifyMe are looking at lightning speed for the full address. Does the address exist? Then we ask how the player wishes to identify themselves. This can be done with a passport, identity card, or a driving license that they can then scan. No camera. That's where the fun begins. The player grabs their smartphone and scans a QR code on the screen. They point their smartphone at their passport, identity card, or driving license. VerifyMe checks the document and automatically takes a photo at the right point. Is that clear? Then we return the player to the browser on their computer, and they can continue with the onboarding process. We even do this. If the player accidentally closes the browser, VerifyMe remembers precisely where the player got to. Handy, eh? Okay, back to the process. Smart OCR technology ensures that the passport details are converted into text. We show this to the player for them to check, so that they can make any little amendments if necessary. Meanwhile, we run a innate GIS check in the background. Is there something wrong with the player's address? Then VerifyMe asks the player for an additional IDIN name and address check. Lastly, we ask the player to enter their bank account number for the IBAN check. What the player doesn't see is that in the background, we run PEP, sanction list, insolvency, and guardianship checks. Everything checked? Then we lead the player back to the online casino. Based on all the data and checks, the casino can decide for itself whether to admit the player or not. So, complete onboarding in 2 minutes. Ready to play?